This is video 4 in the series of helpful hints for dyslexics. Many apologies for the 14-month gap between video 3 and video 4. Unfortunately, my Windows laptop blew up and I lost a lot of my data and I've had to be converted over to a MacBook, so sorry about that. So just to recap, in video 1 I talked about the alphabet letter shapes. In video 2 it was learning the names of the letters and learning the alphabetical order, and in video 3 it was learning the difference between what a consonant is and how it differs from a vowel. In this video, number 4, we are going to concentrate on the important sounds of both the consonants and the vowels. So heap the letters into a pile, turn them round so that the line is visible and sits at the bottom of each letter, and then put the letters in alphabetical order in an arc shape. Now, make a visual difference between the vowels and the consonants by colouring the vowels A, E, I, O and U blue, and by putting a blue stripe across the top of Y. This is to show that Y is both a consonant and a vowel, depending upon where in a word it sits. Line the vowels up, as you can see here. Now practice saying the two sounds that each vowel makes. The short sounds are A, E, O, and the long sounds A, E, I, O and U. Then say the consonant sounds B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Then put them all together. This then becomes a timed exercise. See if you can get your time down to less than 10 seconds. Not straight away, but with regular practice, you will see your time getting less and less. Just to remind you that the letter Y, when it's the beginning of a word, makes a consonant sound, which is the sound Y. But when Y is at the end of a word, it acts like a vowel, and it can say either E, which is its commoner sound, or I. Quick demonstration. B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, E, I, O, U. Now I would like you to pull out these particular consonants, line them up like this, and put dots on the top. This is to remind you that these letters are often said incorrectly. The incorrect way of saying these letters will all have a kind of an sound running through them, like F, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, V, Z. That sound shouldn't be there. So when you remove that sound, the pure sounds are F, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, V and Z. Now put the vowels back in their spaces and those dotted consonants back in their spaces, and then let's say the whole lot in one go. So it would be A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now we are going to get ready to put the letters back into their container using an exercise called digital span. A digital span is the number of pieces of information that can be retained and remembered without making a mistake. In this case, it is the letter sounds. Starting with just 2 letters, say 2 sounds, not the names, at random. So in this case, R and G. See if they can pull them out of the arc, line them up in the order that they were said, and then put them into the container. Continue doing this until all the letters have been collected up and put in the container. Then, the next time you do this exercise, move up to say 3 letters at a time, and then putting them in the container. And the next time, try 4. If 4 are too many, drop down to 3. But if 4 letters are easily remembered, go up to 5, and so on. Don't forget that each time you do these exercises, Start with a heap of letters, then turn them over to see the lines and make the lines sit at the bottom of the letters. See video 1 for more details. Then you are ready to arrange the letters alphabetically in an arc and carry out the exercise again. Make it fun.